Professor Dr. Chinglen Maisnam of Economics Department, Manipur University, strongly criticized state's political leadership, stating that civil society groups have been forced to take welfare activities as MLAs and ministers are similar to handicapped persons. He made the remarks during the month-long relay sit-in protest at Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Imphal West, organized by Kokomi, demanding resettlement of internally displaced persons as assured by the government within December. On the fifth day of the month-long demonstration participated by Kokomi members and IDPs, Professor Chinglen said several unwanted issues continue to emerge due to the silence of leaders who pretend not to hear the voice of the people, adding that people have even forgotten the presence of women MLAs as they have failed to take any initiative for the welfare of women.